This little wrench has been in my toolbox for, oh, I don't know how long, years. Don't even know where I got it. Don't even know where it came from. But it's a Diamond A26. I'm not familiar with that. Alloy steel, made in USA. Drop forge. On this side, it's a 6-inch diamond tool and Horseshoe Company, Duluth, Minnesota. And it's got a emblem there of a diamond and a horseshoe, upside down horseshoe. So, I mean, you could drop in the comments, you know, what you know about the Diamond brand. Like I said, it's the first one I've been in contact with. But we're going to clean this guy up, and he's going to be my go-to for my Dremel mandrel. I picked these little set of files up on Amazon. Very inexpensive, but they're really good. I was really surprised how well it worked on that wrench just now. I believe the name is Hornsby. Picked up this thread lock the other day. This is the blue, so it's not gonna keep you from taking the screw out if you need to, but just under normal operation, oops, a little bit too much, it will you know, keep your threads in place, or keep your bolt in place. So I also picked up this little tube of whiteys or lighties. It's white lithium. It said it was good for anything. You can always count on what they tell you. Right up there. It's nice. Good fit. So, I think this one's done. Except I'm going to polish it a little bit, but the repair part is done. That is just as smooth as you can get. Perfect. It's a little loose. A little play back and forth, but some back and forth that way as well. Maybe if I had a little washer or something, I could get in there. I don't know. That's probably as good as it'll ever get, but for whatever I'm going to use it for, I think it's perfect. The jaws fit good. Ease of operation is good. I like it. Well, I just buffed it a little bit on the buffing wheel, and it was a brand new buffing wheel, and nobody told me that that thing would sling thread everywhere. But I think I got it calmed down now. Got the vacuum out. I was covered in threads and cotton stuff. Yeah, it's kind of funny, but now I know. Put a little flits on here, see if that'll help this whole head shine up a little bit. Shined up pretty good. Well, I'm going to take this thing and go do a little bit of research before we complete this video. I'm not familiar with Diamond, and it's made in USA, so it must be a good one. Diamond Tool and Horseshoe Company, Duluth, Minnesota. So we're going to go check this out a little bit, and then we'll be back and finish up. Well, I guess this one's done. It's turned out really well. Looks nice. I wish I could remember where I got some of these things. I mean, these tools are actually, this one's pretty old, so I mean, I have no idea where I got it, but you know, I'm glad I have it. It's a nice little tool. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel, if you don't mind, and you know, hit that like button and give me a thumbs up and all that kind of stuff. Ring that notification bell so that you know, you'll be notified of my next video. So anyway, thanks for watching again, and we'll see you in the next one. Well, Opie and I did a little checking on the history of the company and this tool. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to look at, and I think it'll probably give you a better outlook of the company than I can tell you. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Me and Opie appreciate it.